Over the past week, we've had this seesaw of humid days and then dry days, humid days and dry days. And Friday is a dry day. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci here. Our dew points, or how much moisture is in the air, will be in that touch humid category for most of the day today, which is pretty low for mid-August standards. But we climb back up on Saturday. You see that drop as we go into Sunday. And then we're back to very muggy on Monday before we go back down again on Tuesday here. It is literally a seesaw pattern that we have seen since Monday, and it's going to go on until next Tuesday, an 8-day stretch. And that's really because we have a progressive pattern in the atmosphere, which means it's fast moving. We take a look at our setup as we go from Friday into the weekend here. Notice our winds. They came from the west. Now they're coming as we go into the weekend from the south and west here around an area of high pressure that pretty much stays stagnant over the next couple of days. So that keeps us mostly to completely dry, but we are going to see a shift in winds, and that's why we go from less humid today on Friday to more humid as we go into Saturday with a risk of a shower or storm. We take a look at our futurecast and our temps here. So this is 8:30 a.m. Temperatures in the 70s everywhere. Sunshine to start. We'll mix with clouds as we go into the afternoon. We'll be mostly cloudy at times here. Highs, though, are going to be pretty much the same between Atlantic City and EHT and Hamilton. Pretty much the shore and the inland areas will be about the same, and that is because of a westerly wind that will blow. We clear out as we go into our Friday night, temperatures falling through the 70s, and we bottom out in the 60s inland, 70s at the coast. So that is seasonable. Saturday, dry for the morning, dry for the midday. Showers and storms flare up around 3 o'clock or so. It's going to be isolated. I expect most of us to be rain-free, even as we go into the afternoon. But these showers or storms will at least be close to us. It's not over us as we go overnight, as a cold front pretty much sits over the area. Now, as we rise from the 70s into the 80s on Sunday, more showers and storms will be around. I think this could happen at any point during the day on Sunday, but if you're going to see some kind of rain, more than likely it's going to be during the afternoon when we're most favorable to see this. But even on Sunday, I think we're talking 60 minutes of your day will be wet at worst, and then we clear out as we go into our Sunday night. So when you add this all up, this is what our rainfall coverage looks like over the weekend here. We are dry as we go into Friday here, and then from Saturday during the afternoon until Sunday till about sunset or so, spotty showers and storms, really just isolated activity. I wouldn't cancel much of your weekend plans. We'll take a look at your shore weather report card forecast here. Remember, for our 6th summer in a row, we're doing our shore summer weekend weather report card, recapping the shore's weather and giving it a grade here. We're at a 3.2 GPA so far. That's a B. Looks like we'll average this out to a B+, getting progressively less nice as the weekend goes on, but it's still a B by Sunday. That's good enough for me. I think it'll be good enough for many of us as we go into the weekend. But Friday, if you're really being nitpicky, yeah, that's going to be the best of the 3 weekend days here. We also have the Person meteor shower as we go into our Saturday night here. The peak is really early Sunday morning, 2, 3, 4 in the morning here. You could see 1 per minute, but here's the thing. With this cold front passing through, there's going to be a decent amount of cloud cover around. So I don't know if we're going to see much of it, everybody, but what I will say here is it's easy to spot at least because it's high in the sky. You don't have to be at the beach to see this. It's high in the sky. You look to the northeast, and again, that rate, 1 per minute, could even be more than that, is pretty darn good here. So let's hope we get a little bit of a clearing as we go into Saturday night. I think we'll see a little bit of it, but it's not going to be that much. Here's a look at our inland 7-day forecast. So temperatures, what sticks out to me is these temperatures because they're about seasonable for the next 7 days here. Yes, rain is in the forecast Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. We can always use some rain during the summer. We don't want our lawns to be too brown, but none of these days will be a washout. In fact, far from it. And for Saturday, you're completely dry until 3 p.m. We go to the shore 7-day forecast. Again, about seasonable for this time of the year. And even as we go into Saturday night, we got a lot of plans. Saturday night, busy time. Shore is at its peak now with everybody here. I don't think you'll need the umbrella for much, if not any of the night as well here. And then look, as we go into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we're looking fantastic. We got the air show on Wednesday here. That still looks to be really good. I actually have a video about the climatology of the date for the air show. You can find that on our website. You can also sign up for our weather newsletter at pressafac.com/weather.